And he told me, Chinara! Chinara!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Goldenchildchi, aka Chinara. If you didn't already know that, that probably means you're not subscribed. So go ahead and hit the red subscribe button below and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a post. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and drop a comment down below if you have any comments, questions, concerns, or anything. I do respond. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I have a special guest today. Come on, let's go. This is my little friend. This is my man. This is my man. Okay, come on. Okay, so
You recorded again? That's not
for
good.
what? It was a joke.
A joke's is trash.
I don't care. So I'm gonna be cutting his hair. Okay. All right. So what kind of haircut do you want?
You talking about? You not cutting nothing. You just bringing it down.
First of all, okay, the rules of my channel: no cursing, no
Loud noises, no disruptions. Any questions or concerns, please let me know prior to announcing them in my video. Okay?
Yo, you just bringing it down.
All right. Ooh.
Jesus.
Oh my God! What is this coming out of your head?
Yo,
when is the last time you washed
can
it?
you be a little more gentle?
All right, guys, we need some water because his hair feels crazy. When is the last time you combed it?
I combed it a couple days ago.
When?
Yo, go get the water, yo.
That I can do a good job. I do trim my own hair and y'all see his flourishing. But okay, so I'm gonna be using some white peony leave-in conditioner from Yalll Organics. Before y'all think he's getting my good products, there was like this much in there, so I threw some water in there because we're cutting this off anyway. So it would kind of be a waste of product to put brand new products in there for no reason. Okay, so push yourself up. So I'm just gonna spray his hair down just to get it a little softer.
Ow.
Stop acting up, please.
Yo, you don't have to comb that rough.
This is how I comb my hair.
You got a problem if you comb your hair like this. You trying to give yourself a headache every day.
Why is your hair even this knotted? You only have like 1 inch of hair to begin with. Ooh.
I see why you always got a headache.
Ooh. Ooh. That one almost hit me. Ow. Ooh.
You don't go slower.
Ooh. Damn. Can I say that? Oh.
Turn your head. Please not. Can you please not hold it backwards? Come on, let's go.
That's not. Those not very smooth. You put me in a bag.
All right, go ahead. Sometimes my clients are a little rowdy, you know. All right. So this is you know the cape that they put on you at the barber shop. Okay, sit down. Move up.
I didn't tell you to shave anything. Where did you shave that from?
I'm sorry.
Where did you shave that from?
The front. You can't even tell.
What is wrong with you, yo? Why did you ask me first?
I thought that I knew what I was doing. I just put it on the 9 instead. It's fine, Jamal. I know what I'm doing. I've cut hair.
For real? You know what you're doing? You just cut my head off.
I've cut hair before. How do I put this thing on?
But you know what you're doing.
How do I put this thing on?
This man. What are you doing?
What do you mean? What am I doing?
Bro, you taking hair off. You go like this. Get away from my hair, bro.
Okay. Like this?
No, the other way.
This?
Look.
That's what I did.
No, you did not.
This how you use it?
You gotta go forward.
Oh, that's the only way?
Yes.
You sure? This is not doing nothing.
That's the point.
What is this, a comb?
Son.
No, this is doing nothing. Just shave it bald.
This is not what this is. We're not shaving nobody bald. Like, I got time for that, yo. It ain't now. It might be soon, but it ain't now.
That's what they do. They like rake it through.
Yeah.
Okay. So why can't you use it the other way though?
That's not how it works.
This button is in like a stupid place.
Don't go. It's not made to go through hard fast. Like, you just go through slowly.
Like that?
Yeah. Now you don't have to go that slow, but like, yeah, like.
But your hair looks like worse, if not the same. It's not taking off anything.
It's perfect. You get us. What was that? 12?
Yeah, give me like a 9.
Nah.
You never have, Jamal. You always have a light Caesar. You can give me a smaller one.
I'm not getting a light Caesar.
Jamal, I've been in this business a while.
No, Chinara. The barbershops open up in 1 week. What are you doing?
This way.
Yes.
Okay, this one is good now. This one I like. So I just glide it against your head like this, right? Glide. 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 Glide.
ID. And he told me, Chinara! Chinara!
Oh.
Let me see it.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize. But it looks good if I just got the rest down.
Let me see it. Get the mirror. That's a bald spot. I'm done with this. No.
Babe, it's not a bald spot.
It's not, first of all, I already got to see it.
It's not a bald spot.
Yes, it is. I don't have no bald spots back there.
It's not bald spots.
The whole time I'm telling you not to do that, and you still went and did it.
It's not a bald
Did you take
spot.
the guard off?
No, I put a 4.
Why would you switch it?
Because it was too high.
Shit just got real.
I'm not being dramatic.
Dramatic?
Son, it looks stupid. I can feel it.
Jamal, it doesn't look stupid. It's just a little light spot.
I knew this was gonna happen. I told you I want you to touch my top of my head.
It's just a small spot.
I literally said, do not touch the top of my head. It's not a small spot.
Yes, it is, Jamal. It's like how you normally, like when you get your hair too high. That's how it is. I'll show you again. Look. It's not that big. It's a small spot. Look.
Sorry, it looked like a patch.
Jamal, because the rest of your hair is so high. It's not a big spot. It's not scalp. It's like 1 inch of hair.
I stop cutting my top of my head.
Come.
Sorry. Did I do that?
This is good though. I didn't know you could do it like this with the scissors. I'll ride this and then let Papito.
You sure it's not too deep?
Nah, you go and you just do it underneath, right?
Yeah.
So underneath is what you do. You go underneath and you stop. You just.
Should I go clean it?
No, it's fine. Just go underneath and you stop.
You sure?
Yes, it's fine. You're not trimming that to the bare bottom. Whoa. We just discussed this.
What to do?
You never go like this with the clippers. Always you coming from underneath. That's why it's shaped like that.
Okay. Head up. Like that?
Yes. And make sure. Hold on. See this bottom? This should be like this. It goes like this. Don't go
that's
like.
what I'm doing. You told me don't touch you.
No, I don't care about that. Just don't start using this, because then you're not actually getting the depth. Like, you're starting like this. You're going across. You're not going down into
So like this?
Yeah. Wait, hold on. I can't see. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
This is too low. I told you.
That's not what
I don't. What are you talking about?
I'm saying go take this off. Like this don't need to be here. So you stopping right here.
Oh, well, people usually have it lower down here and then have a beard here, right?
Yeah, but it takes skill. That's things you don't do.
Alright, go ahead.
on, because you're gonna mess the whole thing up. Look how much hair you took off down here.
But that's what I asked you to give me a lower guard or a higher guard. Let me see it. It's good. You're gonna have a beard right here.
It's fine, but I'm gonna look stupid. That's what's wrong with it. Because I'm not, I'm gonna look dumb, Chinara, because I can't fix this. The barber's gonna have to fix this now. See, cause look, I like this has to be lined up and it starts from here, but then I'm gonna have all this. So you was doing was trimming it down and taking off all this extra nasty.
Oh, I thought this was normal. This bottom.
No, this bottom piece comes all. They cut this beard.
Take that off.
No, I can't do that now because it's gonna bring awareness to this. It's low.
But Jamal, I'm gonna just take this. I'm gonna take this.
No, I didn't want you to go there. I want you to stop right here.
So then I'll just even this out on the other side. So let me just start at the bottom.
Last time, bro.
Jamal, am I using the clippers properly? Look in the mirror to make sure I'm doing it properly. Take the mirror.
Go ahead. I can see it. Go ahead.
Is this good?
Yes.
Like that?
Yes.
I told you I went to barber school.
You're not going to barber school, huh?
You can't curse on my channel. Alright, let's look at it. Look at it.
Look at this whole mess up.
No, it's the same.
It's not the same. It's obvious.
Pick your head up. Pick your head up. Let me just take out this piece. Come. Come, get low. Come, turn to me.
What are you getting low for?
Turn to me. I know what I'm doing.
Stop.
That's why I don't want to get you low, because your angle change. Make sure you're coming up like that. That's why they don't get low.
Okay, look at it. It's perfect, right?
Yeah, that's good.
I just gotta cut this side of my side. Just come around. I could do beards. Maybe not haircuts, but I could do beards. Right?
Yeah, we stick to that.
Don't move.
You're not so rough with the comb, bro.
I did a good job. Let me give him credit.
You did better, yes.
So, I think I did a good job. How do you guys think I did on his beard? Put your head straight. How do you guys think I did on his beard?
Look at the camera.
How do you guys think I did on his beard? Good? 1 to 10. Customer service. What?
No, you did a great job, babe.
1 to 10 for customer service.
Oh, I thought that was for the people. That's for me?
Yes, it's for you.
You get a pass, you know? You get a 6 or 7. 5. You know, it's decent.
What about the results? 1 to 10.
I got a bald spot in the back of my head. You asking me about results.
Beard only.
But I still remember the bald spot.
Beard only. 1 to 10.
We give you a passing grade. We give you a 6. You know, 65.
You are kidding me right now. I did a really good job on your beard.
65.
I said 1 to 10.
Are we comparing it to the barber? No. So what are we comparing it to? Like, what's the scale?
My scale, just me. I did a good job on your haircut.
Oh, all right. So that's a 10. You did a good job on my haircut.
Thank you. Okay, guys. So that's it for his haircut. I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know in the comments how you guys think I did. Hold on, I got some little.
Right, that's enough. The people had enough. I sure only had enough.
Let me know in the comments how you guys think I did. Did I do a good job? I think I did a good job. Go get the broom.
You ready for I'm going to shower.
No, Jamal, go get the broom.
Yeah, the room is here.
Come and sweep.
Nah, you sleeping.
Jamal, no, I just did the whole hair cut. All you did was sit here.
Yo, bruh, I gave you the opportunity to cut my hair. That is more than anything.